single judge bench of the Allahabad High Court has contributed 15,000 rupees to a student from a scheduled caste who was unable to afford the admission fees for the prestigious Banaras Hindu University to a 5-year course in mathematics and computing. Now, in its order, the court had noted the bright academic credentials of the student and observed how financial distress in her family because of her father's kidney disease became an impediment in her education. My colleague Alok Pandey spoke with the lawyers who helped the student. Let's listen in.
Sarvesh Kumar Dubey and Samta Rao are the advocates who intervened on behalf of Sanskriti Ranjan, the student who was helped by the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court. Mr. Dubey, I want to start by asking you, what were the circumstances of the case? Did the girl land up on her own? What happened in court?
The girl has filed a case on her own, and as soon as the case was taken up, the court has asked that whether any of the lawyers wants to do the matter voluntarily. So we appeared, and seeing the bright career and future of the girl, as she scored very good marks in 10th and 12th, and she was having a very good rank in the JEE main advance also. The court has said that now the court will deposit a fee, admission fees undoubtedly of that girl, and that admission fees has been given by the Honorable Court itself.
Yeah. When you say the court, sir, is it the court, is there a corpus, or is it the judge himself?
Is it a judge himself Honorable Judge himself who deposited the fees on his own? Okay. Number of lawyers has also wants to contribute the fees, and now we are in a position, we have collected the amount, we are in a position to deposit her entire fees along with the fees of the hostel and mess charges.
Samtaji, I want to ask you, what is the background of the girl? Is she from a very poor background? Why is it that she could not arrange the 15,000 rupees that she needed for her initial admission into BHU?
Actually, the girl's father is on a kidney dialysis. So the problem came when his father got into this medical treatment, and the same time her admission process also started. So at that time she was having the financial crisis, but at the same time she was not able to submit her fees on the due date.
Thank you so much. So there you have it. The advocates also telling us one more very heartwarming thing, so to say, that they've all collected, got together and collected the entire fees for Sanskriti Ranjan, and they're willing to help her get through the entire course. One does wish, of course, that there are other ways in which, you know, the poor and the underprivileged students can get admitted to these courses, but a very noble initiative by the court and also by these advocates and their colleagues. Yes, and with camera person Vineet Verma, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.